Good evening, everybody. It's 20 minutes after 7 o'clock here on this Friday evening, the 20th of September. And Barry's here with you here in the studio tonight. Well, tonight I'd like to talk to you about how to make an irresistible slice. Now, I'd like to tell you how to make a really irresistible custard slice, okay? First, buy some good quality puff pastry, okay? And then bake that in the oven until crisp. Then make up some custard using some custard powder, some vanilla essence, and some milk. You can add a hot milk to the custard if you like, and let it cool and then pour over the pastry base and then stick in the fridge until set. But would you like to add some melted chocolate to the custard? Let me know down below. Now, what is a slice, I hear you ask? Well, a slice is like a cake, okay, which you bake the base first, and then you make your filling. Look up a recipe on how to make this delicious slice that I've talked about. And custard slice, guys, you just can't go wrong with it. It's better than the store-bought custard slice because you know what you're putting into the slice and what ingredients you're using. So let me know what you think of this custard slice that I've mentioned. Another irresistible slice is a caramel slice. Now, a caramel slice consists of a baked crust, okay, followed by a caramel filling and then melted chocolate over the top, and you just can't go wrong. So, like I've said, look up a recipe on how to make a slice. And slices are great for morning tea or afternoon tea or a farewell or just to get together and having a couple with friends. Now I know you've just had your dinner and I'm making you hungry, but I'm giving you viewers out there on YouTube some cooking ideas for a weekday activity, whether it's a Saturday or Sunday. So, guys, if you've got nothing to do at home and it's a wet, cold, miserable day, get the cooking equipment out, get your ingredients out and your filling ingredients and get a slice made this weekend. And you can even make jelly squares. Now, look up a recipe for jelly squares because, hey, a slice is so irresistible, guys. You just can't go wrong with it. And if you feel like making a slice this weekend, go ahead because I'm sure that you will want to use up some of the old ingredients rather than wasting money on getting new ingredients. And as usual, always check first whether the ingredients are in date before you use them. and there are no fake slices as well. So why not get the family together this weekend and get a slice made? And tonight, while I've got you here and you're all in the mood for cooking, I'm going to tell you about how to make chocolate crackles. So yeah, get your appetites wet and your mouth watering because here comes the chocolate crackle recipe. Chocolate crackles, guys. Well, they are so irresistible. And how do you make them? Well, you need to have some Kellogg's rice bubbles, okay, about 4 cups of them, um, a cup of coconut, some cocoa, and that's it. So you melt the cocoa into the dry ingredients, okay, and then you melt the cocoa and then mix in with the dry ingredients and place the ingredients into small patty cake cups, okay? So pour the ingredients into little cake cups, okay? And then place in the fridge until set. Now, chocolate crackles and a slice, guys, are good party food, a great party foods for kids alike. And this is why I'm bringing you a food section, a food topic, I should say, on tonight's show. So, another food topic that I'm going to talk about now, and that's in the second part of the video on what you can do with vegetables. So don't you go away. I will have the vegetable video in just a moment. I'm Barry Fear. Don't go away.